Hello everyone, welcome to Mrs. Lin's kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Taiwanese pickled cucumber. It is a very simple and easy to make side dish that goes well with Taiwanese tempura, Taiwanese fried oyster pancake, and many other Taiwanese small eats. Here's the ingredients overview. Taiwanese pickled cucumber only requires 4 ingredients that people usually already have at home. For this particular side dish, it's best to use Persian or Japanese cucumbers. I use a total of 5 cucumbers in this video, and you can adjust the measurements if you use more or less cucumbers. Make sure you rinse and dry the cucumbers before using. Let's get started now. First, thinly slice the cucumber to about 1/8 inch thick. Transfer the sliced cucumber into a clean mixing bowl. Sprinkle half tablespoon of salt onto the sliced cucumber, then mix well. Let the cucumber sit in the salt for about 30 minutes. This step will make the cucumber sweat out excess water. The cucumber will have the unique soft and crunchy texture as a result. When the time is up, drain out the excess juice from the cucumber and rinse it well to wash off all the salt. After rinsing, squeeze out as much water as you can and transfer the cucumber into a clean bowl. Pour in half cup of sugar, and 1 cup of rice vinegar. Mix well to make sure the sugar is all dissolved. The pickled cucumber will be ready in as soon as 1 hour, but the longer you let it sit in the solution, the more flavorful it will get. You can even refrigerate this mixture with the cucumber in a glass jar or container for a few days. The end result is a sweet and sour refreshing side dish that's great alongside any Taiwanese dishes like popcorn chicken, fried pork chops, crispy fried tofu, and tempura. I'll link the videos to these recipes in the description box. When you're ready to eat, just transfer the cucumber into a clean bowl and serve without the sugar vinegar solution. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you like it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.